Whoa! Wait, what was that? Did my nose just explode?
Bless you, Zuzu. That was your nose being a superhero.
A superhero? But it just blasted like a rocket.
Yes, your nose guards your body. When dust or tickly things sneak in, it yells, "Get out!" and boom! You sneeze.
So it's like my nose has a blast button to throw out intruders?
Exactly. Sneezes are your nose's way of keeping you safe. Fast, loud, and powerful.
Whoa! My nose has its own sneeze blaster. Pew, pew, pew.
So next time you sneeze, just smile. It means your body is protecting you.
Thanks, nose. You're the best bodyguard ever.